Okay, so next I will proceed about the recommendation part. So actually 90% of people are associated with the web and 77% of them post a cell phone. This pattern has established the framework for a computerized well-being insurgency to change medical service convenience, particularly in cardiovascular consideration. So first, the cardiovascular computerization innovation item incorporate wearable as well as compact gadgets and application used to screen cardiovascular estimation. Beside that, of issue is a significant hole between innovation headways and evolving conduct, and the extension of advanced well-being has not coordinated by appropriate testing or oversight. To solve this problem, they could develop a mobile application which known as home call doctor apps or online medical consultation to approach the patient. Besides that, through online overview for Cleveland Clinic, there is also a lot of negative complaint on. So the problem is about the whole hospital system, customer service and others. So they can overcome this problem by retaining the employee on customer service relation. Next, there are also a lot of negative comments about the patient being giving wrong billing, did not receive any receipt, charged heavily without any notice. So by this, the clinic can establish a multiple department with different job descriptions, such as Department of Finance, Department of Billing, and Department of Account. So through establish the multiple departments, so that the problem that I mentioned for example the patient did not get any receipt and others, this type of problem will be solved. So lastly, the clinic also complained by the patient on the slow appointment making and time wasting approach and also the slow service. So to overcome this, the clinic can increasing the workforce by recruiting more and more number of doctor and nurse, so that this will increase the productivity of the clinic, and the time wasting problem or slow service problem will solve it. So these 5 are the recommendations for the clinic to solve the problem, and my part is end. Thank you.